Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you three ways to know if someone blocked you on WhatsApp. If you are using WhatsApp and now you want to know that any person has been blocked on your WhatsApp, so let's see how can you check. First you have to open WhatsApp app and here select the person and I'm going to select this one. The person hasn't blocked me, but let's see how. You just have to send any message to the person. If you'll get only one tick and it doesn't double, so it may be the person has blocked you. The second step is that check profile info. Just tap on profile or open chat and then select profile, and here you won't get any profile picture, so it's maybe the person has been blocked you on WhatsApp. The third way is that you just have to create a group with the person. Just select the person and then done, and here you just have to enter the group name, and here you can see I couldn't add the person. You just have to tap on add member, then select the person and then select done, and here this pop-up will be showed as you couldn't add the person, so it's confirmed that the person has been blocked you on WhatsApp. So that's how you can easily check if someone has blocked you. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.